Hello there, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you. You just click on the Carfax for the 2016 Lexus 200T. I do have available right now in the showroom. If you want to come to take a look this vehicle, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. This vehicle is Carfax is clean. Maybe you check already in there, and paint very good conditions. As I said, the unit is available. That's very important. And if you want to secure it, just call me. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacting me.